How to get Apollo Pharmacy Gift Card 2025 method. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Getting an Apollo Pharmacy gift card in 2025 is simpler, faster, and more rewarding than ever. You won't believe how many ways you can acquire one, from online portals to mobile apps, and how you can use it to save on everyday healthcare, wellness products, and prescription needs. Whether you're looking to treat yourself or gift a loved one, understanding the updated process for 2025 is essential for anyone who wants to take advantage of Apollo Pharmacy's convenience and discounts. Let's start with the basics. Apollo Pharmacy is one of India's largest pharmacy chains, with thousands of stores and a strong online presence. Their gift cards are versatile. They can be used for over-the-counter medications, personal care products, health supplements, and even digital consultations where available. The surprising truth is that while many people assume gift cards are only physical, Apollo now offers both physical and digital versions that can be purchased and used instantly, providing incredible flexibility. Step 1. Check the official Apollo Pharmacy website or app. The first step is to ensure you're accessing the legitimate channels. Visit apollopharmacy.in or download the Apollo Pharmacy mobile app on your smartphone. Most people get this wrong. They attempt to purchase through third-party websites or social media links, which may lead to scams or invalid cards. Using the official channels guarantees security, valid balance, and eligibility for any ongoing promotions. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. On the website or app, look for the gift cards or e-gift cards option. This section is usually prominently displayed on the homepage or under the offers or more services menu. Here, you'll find both physical and digital gift card options, along with denominations and other purchasing details. In 2025, Apollo has streamlined this section to include instant delivery options for digital cards, so you can get a card without waiting for shipping. Step 3. Choose the type and denomination. Apollo Pharmacy gift cards come in multiple denominations, typically ranging from 500 to 5,000. Decide whether you want a digital e-gift card, which is delivered instantly via email or SMS, or a physical card that can be mailed to your address. Digital gift cards are ideal for quick gifting or personal use, while physical cards are great for gifting in person. Most users don't realize that digital cards are instantly usable, so if you need a last-minute gift, e-gift cards are your best option. Step 4. Add to cart and provide recipient details. If you're buying a gift card for someone else, provide their name, email, or mobile number, depending on whether it's digital or physical. If it's for yourself, simply enter your details. Apollo Pharmacy allows you to add a personalized message, which is a nice touch if you're gifting. Ensure the details are correct. Mistakes can delay delivery or make the card inaccessible. Step 5. Proceed to payment. Apollo Pharmacy supports multiple payment methods, including credit/debit cards, UPI, net banking, and popular wallets. Choose your preferred method and complete the payment. In 2025, many banks and wallets offer cashback or reward points for such purchases, making it even more advantageous to buy through official channels. Most people overlook these small benefits, but they can add up over time. Step 6. Receive your gift card. For digital cards, the recipient will receive a code via email or SMS almost instantly. Physical cards are delivered within the estimated shipping time, usually 3-5 business days. Make sure to keep the digital code safe. It's your key to redeeming the value online or in store. The amazing part about digital cards is that they can be added to your mobile wallet for quick access at checkout, reducing the risk of loss or misplacement. Step 7. Redeem your gift card. Using your Apollo Pharmacy gift card is straightforward. In store, present the physical card or show the e-gift card code at the counter. Online, enter the code at checkout on the Apollo Pharmacy website or app. The amount will be deducted from your purchase total. If the purchase exceeds the card balance, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method. Most people make the mistake of not checking the balance first, but the Apollo system displays the remaining value prominently during checkout. Now that we've covered the basic acquisition process, let's discuss some tips and tricks for maximizing your Apollo Pharmacy gift card in 2025. Tip 1. Use during promotions. Apollo Pharmacy frequently runs promotions, discounts, and reward programs. Using your gift card during these promotions can stretch its value further. For example, combine your gift card with seasonal sales on health supplements or personal care products. Many users get this wrong. They use gift cards at regular prices, missing out on potential savings. Tip 2. Check expiry dates. Apollo gift cards may have validity periods. Digital cards usually have clear expiry dates visible in your app or email. Keeping track of this ensures you don't lose value due to an expired card. Setting a calendar reminder is an easy way to avoid this common mistake. Tip 3. Split payments. If you have multiple gift cards, Apollo allows you to combine them for a single purchase. This is especially useful if you're buying high-value items or multiple products. Digital cards can be used in combination with your wallet balance or another payment method for flexibility. Tip 4. Gift smartly. If you're giving an Apollo Pharmacy gift card as a present, consider the recipient's needs. Health and wellness products are universal, but knowing their preferences like vitamins, skincare, or over-the-counter medications can make your gift more personal and valuable. You can even send multiple denominations in one gift bundle using the Apollo app. Tip 5. Keep digital copies. Even if you have a physical card, consider adding the code to your phone's notes or wallet app. This ensures that if the card is lost or damaged, you still have access to the value. The convenience of a digital backup can save you time and stress. Tip 6. Use for prescriptions. If the recipient has regular prescriptions available at Apollo Pharmacy, gift cards can help offset the cost. While some regulations may limit partial payments on prescription medicines, combining the gift card with other payment methods ensures you get full benefit. Many users get this wrong by assuming gift cards are only for over-the-counter items, but in 2025, they can often be applied to prescriptions as well, depending on local regulations. Finally, let's highlight the benefits of acquiring Apollo Pharmacy gift cards in 2025. They offer flexibility, security, and convenience. Digital cards allow instant gifting, while physical cards provide a tangible present. Gift cards help budget healthcare and wellness expenses, making it easier to manage monthly spending. Most importantly, using gift cards ensures that you're spending on essential health products without carrying cash or worrying about credit card limits. In conclusion, getting an Apollo Pharmacy gift card in 2025 is fast, secure, and versatile. By following the step-by-step process, checking official channels, choosing the type and denomination, entering recipient details, completing payment, and redeeming correctly, you can enjoy all the benefits of digital or physical gift cards. Combine these with smart tips like using promotions, tracking expiry dates, splitting payments, and keeping digital copies to maximize value. The surprising truth is that gift cards are no longer just for gifting. They are a convenient way to manage your own healthcare expenses efficiently, safely, and without hassle. Start today. Get your Apollo Pharmacy gift card and experience the convenience and flexibility of a modern 2025 gift card system that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle.